Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to create account Google in Gmail. You go into this website www.google.com. Press enter. Take your cursor on the right hand side corner. There's a blue background with white text. You click on sign in. Obviously it does not have option to create account on the front page, but once you click on sign in, then it will give another box, and in the box it will ask you, you don't do nothing here, you don't do anything here, but you click on create account, and it will give you option if you want to create for your business or for yourself. Nowadays a lot of people work from home, they are self-employed. So if you have online business, then you're better off creating business account. So let's do it for myself. First name. I'm going to make my first name, first one on the earth, Adam, and his wife, Hawa. Olet's first name is Hawa, and her surname is Adam. So this is a test email account. So I'm only opening this account just to show people how to open Google account. So I'm going to call my email Hawa and then Adam. That's the first name and that's the surname. But you can have in between, you can have a dot. hawa.adam@gmail.com. Now it will ask you to create a password. When you type in the password, it's very irritating that you can't see what you type in. So you have to retype the password and you can't remember what you typed in there. So what you're better off doing is click on this eye. When you click on the eye, you need to make sure, and it's very important, that there's no other people around you behind the desk, on your right or left side of the computer, because they will see your password, and it only takes a glance and that's it. Whole your life is corrupt, your whole life is messed up. So password is very important. If you click on the eye, it will show your password. So password dot, click on next. Okay, what it's saying is my password needs to be a bit more stronger, and this username has already been taken. Okay, so I'm going to 786 Adam. Let's keep it that way. This should work. Yes. Now it will ask for your phone number. I would suggest that you put your phone number. I know it says optional, but a quick way to verify your email is by putting your own telephone number. The reason Gmail is very important, because government ID is verified through Gmail. Your passport, your universal credits, and a lot of websites you go on, you don't have, when you try to create an account with millions and thousands of websites, it will give you option that you can register a particular website using Gmail account. So all you need to do on the website is just to put this email address, and you can automatically log in. For example, Facebook, you can log in with Gmail account, so you don't have to have another email addresses or create a special account on Facebook. Anyway, you put your phone number on. So I'm going to put my phone number, which is 077. Then I will mute myself. Yeah, I just mute myself for security reasons, security purpose, because I don't want people to start ringing me and thanking me for this wonderful video. If you really like this video, you can email us back on this, and then we will let's see how far this email goes and how many people really appreciate with your responses. This is optional. If you have another email address, then you type it in here. Okay, now the reason you these numbers is sometimes when you forget your password, which I completely forgot what I put on, then when I type in my mobile number, then it will be easy for me to reset the password. This is why it's very important that you have it, even though it's optional, but it's for your own security reasons, that you create your date of birth. So you can make one up, you shouldn't keep your original date of birth. So 1st of January, first man on the earth, and I'm gonna make myself 80. Gender, up here, it's optional. Sometimes if you don't want people to know, then you just rather not say. This is for this time and age, every equal opportunities. This is why by law they have to keep it. Or you can customize. If you want to tell people what gender you are, then you customize, but you just click on whoever you are. Right? And just to let you know, Google will not show your personal information to public. It says we will use your number for account security. It won't be visible to other people. Same way with other stuff as well, like birthday. Then they won't show it to people. So you click next, and I will receive a text message on my phone. It will ask me if I want to save these passwords in my cookies. I wouldn't do it. Then obviously your number will appear here. Then you click on send. Then I will receive a message on my phone. I have received it, but I cannot show you. But number starts with G dash. Then I'm going to write it down here. 702. Verify that. And that's it. I'm in. And it gives you some information, lots of information. You need to read all these terms and conditions and everything, because if something happens and you put a complaint through, then obviously all these terms and conditions will bounce back on you. So you need to be careful what you are agreeing to. So I'm in. Next page. There you go. This is what it's all about. A lot of people, they just scroll down and agree, but you must read at least what it's all about, because if you do something wrong, they can easily block your account and you can lose a lot of important information. And there are hundreds and hundreds of benefits of having Gmail account. Google account is really good if you've got lots of stuff to do. Sometimes people may not have computer at home, and if you've got some typing to do, word processing to do, if you don't have word processor, if you don't have spreadsheet, you can actually go there and you go into docs. You can type your CV, or you can do your work in Google account. So all these options are available. So you can create your own stuff, save it into your own drive. Google gives you a lot of space on your self drive, G drive, or what's it called? It's called yes, this drive. It gives you a lot of space where you can save your own work. You send large images, photos, and you can save it into your drive, and you can share this with your other email address. And this is really good. Honest to God, it's very, very interesting, and it saves lots and lots of time as well. So if you are doing some work on a daily basis, you can actually download Google Sheets on your mobile phone's apps, and then any work you do, it automatically gets updated here, or anything you do, it gets updated on the other side as well. So these are all the forms and slides, and there's so many things you can do. Now, just to let you know, all the schools in United Kingdom, England, and maybe worldwide, they all use Google. Drives, Google Spaces, Google. Oh, there's so many options here. You can have blogs and videos, and you create yes, also YouTube is also connected with Google. You can start broadcasting on your own videos. You can have a lot of contacts. Everything's in one spot. This Gmail is really good. Google Earth, it's absolutely fantastic. It gives you a clear view of what's around the world. As you can see, you can zoom in and it takes you right location wherever you are. It's amazing. Anyway, it's loading up because it's first time. As you can see, it gives you latitude and longitude of where you are. A very interesting thing I need to show you, if you have a photo of something, then if you go into photos information, it gives you a little background about that particular photo, and it tells you where the photo was taken. And that's it for today. I will go into my account and see how many people reply back when you have learned how to open Gmail account. And moving further, we will teach you a lot of stuff about Google. Thank you. Goodbye.